Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The new upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 represents a significant evolution in the next foldable smartphone technology, blending new epic innovation with practicality to meet the demands of modern users. According to the latest preliminary news data, Samsung's next foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold 8, coming with S Pen Stylus and new upgrades. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. By reintroducing the S Pen Stylus and incorporating advanced display features, Samsung has taken steps to enhance productivity, privacy, and portability. This device is more than just a smartphone. It's a versatile tool designed to cater to both professional and personal needs. Look at how the Galaxy Z Fold 8 redefines the foldable smartphone experience. The return of the S Pen Stylus is one of the most notable features of the Galaxy Z Fold 8. After its absence in the previous model, Samsung has re-engineered the S Pen Stylus to work seamlessly with the foldable display. This redesign eliminates the need for a traditional digitizer layer, allowing the stylus to function without adding bulk to the device. The result is a sleek, lightweight design that doesn't compromise on functionality. For users who rely on the S Pen for note-taking, sketching, or document editing, this innovation is a welcome improvement. The stylus offers the same level of precision and responsiveness as seen in Samsung's other flagship devices, making it an indispensable tool for professionals. Its compatibility with the foldable display ensures that users can enjoy the benefits of a stylus without sacrificing the portability of the device. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 introduces Flex Magic Pixel technology, a new advancement in display engineering. This feature allows the screen to dynamically adjust its viewing angles at the pixel level, providing a tailored visual experience. Privacy is a key focus of the Galaxy Z Fold 8, thanks to its dynamic privacy adaptation system. This feature works in conjunction with the Flex Magic Pixel display. The new upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 8 smartphone is expected in July this year, alongside its sibling the Galaxy Z Flip 7. Before all of this, it's likely the new Galaxy A57 and Galaxy A37 will be unveiled at the end of this month. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.